you got yourself into.
Good morning, guys. Today is not Monday, it's not Tuesday, but it's Wednesday. Today is January 2nd, and it's the first day back to school. And I know, yeah. So the kids are just gonna have a plain peanut butter sandwich because I didn't plan any of this. I don't know who's who. They're just gonna have some chips. Those are bite-sized tortilla chips. That's what is that? A Chelo with fruit at the bottom, yogurt, and then water. Isn't that simple? Life is simple these days. So I'll see you guys after school today. So today's Tuesday, and we're still we're doing this. We cut our grocery bill down from $1,000 a month to roughly around $150. So we're trying to see how it works. Of course, this is the first month doing it, so the kids are gonna have mac and cheese in here, and then Jason wanted Chelo with the fruit at the bottom, and then they're just gonna have some sour cream and onion chips. So that's Jason, and then he has his water. I'm no longer doing, well, I will be doing juice, but after the whole $150 a month family grocery thing, after we try it out and see, then I'll probably try to squeeze back their juice in here. But for right now, they're just having water, and Jackson has his because I already filled his. The older kids are responsible for filling their own water containers, so Jackson's ready, and then he's having mac and cheese. And that's from yesterday. Did you eat everything from yesterday? Nothing. You just have this? Yeah. So this is what's left over from yesterday. Okay.
I still use this for that.
No, that's dirty. Get a rag and clean out your lunch bag. And then Miss Destiny's having fruit, mandarin, her chips, her fork. Jackson's having the same thing, and then Jordan is having, I think these are peaches. Could be wrong. So.
Fruit cup.
Fruit cup, yes. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys after school today. Oh, you ready with the water bottles?
Yes, this is just getting.
Okay.
Yeah, mine's really full from yesterday.
Okay. Alright. So I'll see you guys after school today. Say good morning. Say good morning. Sikipoo. Say good morning. Good morning, guys. Today's Friday, last day. So this week was only a 3-day week. Yeah, so today is Friday. My trusty dandy peanut butter. So they're having peanut butter again because that's all mommy has. That's what they're gonna have. They're gonna have tortilla chips. Oh, thank you. They're gonna have tortilla chips with some salsa. And this child here, I think this is Jackson, he's having pudding. I have to get him a spoon. And the two other boys are having the same. And then Destiny's having a mandarin fruit cup. Hi, good morning. Yes. And then her peanut butter, her spoon. I have to grab the other kid's spoon, and then I have to make them their breakfast. It's 6:51. This won't fit in here, so yeah, that's not gonna fit in there. Oh, bless you. Oh, everybody is sick around here. So I will see you guys on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting us, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. This is what I have so far, and I'm thinking I need one more. I think I'm gonna get this sour cream for their lunches. So I have 3 things of chips, I have pretzel, I have tortilla, I have snack for them here, then I have their breakfasts, And then this is if they stay home. So I just got some ramen noodle. And then I have, this is for dinners. So let's continue. I'm gonna get this guy. It's honey roasted, $1.94. And I can always put this in their lunches. And yeah, for a sweet treat for them. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. The children are gonna have mac and cheese. Where I left off, mac and cheese. So they're having mac and cheese. There's fruit cup right here, and leftover chips. These pop chips, sour cream and onion. I only have a little bit left, so I gave Jackson a Larabar kid. And they're gonna have their water, because this year I'm trying to see if I can do this lunch thing on a budget. I'm just gonna get their spoon and have them get their water. And I think that's it. I have to go grocery shopping today because I'm out of food. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today the children are having grilled cheese. So it's just cheese on bread and cucumber, and they have the ranch here for their cucumbers. Jordan opted for a cheese cracker situation here, so that's what he's gonna have, and then he has his container filled with water. I feel like this is not enough. Okay. Now, I feel like I did something wrong today. I don't know. Jackson's having the same thing, but he's gonna have an alphabet mini cookie. Jason having the same. Destiny is having the same. They all have their water. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Let's get into this video. They're having peanut butter with banana. I'm contemplating whether or not I want to make a little face. Put some eyeballs on here, draw a little mouth thing, but this is what they're having, and it's so easy. Ooh, I forgot their ranch. Let me grab their ranch and come back. Okay, guys, so we got the ranch. So they're gonna have carrots with this. Jordan is going to have a vanilla yogurt. He's having a Pop-Tart for his snack, and some Christmas cookie I baked last night. I know this is a lot of sweet, but I already was gonna give him this, and he chose this for his snack, so he can have this for his lunch and this for his snack. I don't know. Destiny is gonna have the same thing. Her Christmas cookie end up here because there was nowhere else to put it. She's gonna have vanilla yogurt, and she's gonna have a alphabet mini cookie. They all have their water. And then Jaxson, is this Jaxson? No, yes, this is Jaxson. He's gonna have the same. I put his wrench in here. I don't know. Hopefully he knows how to use that thing properly. Usually they just waste my my ranch dressing, and he's having the same. So 2 comes in a pack, so I just split it and give them 1 each. He's gonna have a fruit cup, and Jason is gonna have the same as his brother. No, he's having a pudding, butterscotch pudding. Those are so good, so good. I had them for the first time the other day, and I was like, I really like this. So that's it, folks. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and I'm just like so excited because guess what? That means I'm missing spoons. Where are the spoons? I see Jordan, you're missing a spoon. Let's start with Jordan, because yeah, he's missing the spoon and his water. They are having hot dog. And the hot dog is in here. I just put it in some, thank you. I just put it in foil paper to keep the heat a little bit. And then I got taco sauce because I don't have ketchup. But the main ingredients in taco sauce is, come on, focus. Because you know, you have a lot of simple-minded people. Tomato paste. But anyways, that's what they're having. So Jordan wanted mustard, so I gave him mustard. We have cucumber with ranch. So these little rascals have been not eating my ranch when I send it separate. So you know what I did? I put the ranch on the cucumber. That way they're not wasting my ranch that I paid $1 for. So yeah, if a little bit counts. So they have their bread over here so it doesn't get soggy or whatever. It's just there. And then these are a pretzel stick, but this is not just any kind of pretzel stick. We have peanut butter on the bottom of this little cupcake liner thing. So there's peanut butter down there. So what they do is they just take one and dip, and yeah. He's gonna have, this is, what is this called? Butterscotch. This is so good. I tried it for the first time the other day and it was really good. So that's what Jordan is having because he really wanted. Destiny wanted just ketchup because she does not like mustard. So hopefully she eats it. She's having the same thing. Her cucumber here, and they each got 5 slices. So yeah, no more could fit in this little container. I just want everything to be perfect, and it's not working out for me. Pat, 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 pat. She's gonna have a pudding. Jackson is going to have a blueberry yogurt, and he wanted mustard and tomato. Let's just pretend that tomato. He wanted mustard and ketchup, so let's just pretend that it's ketchup. Okay guys, we are pretending today. Use your imagination. And he's having the same thing, and then he has a spoon. Is this his spoon? No, this is sister's spoon. And then Jason's having the same exact thing, except he's having Walmart knockoff brand of Go-Gurt. So that's what he's having. Their water. Jackson, this is not gonna fly. Find your water bottle. Thank you. We will see you guys on Friday. Bye guys. Good morning guys. Today is Friday. Say good morning.
Morning. It's not mine.
Let's not even talk about it. Let Miss Destiny grade slip and see what happened. Okay? So we're having chicken sandwich. So it's just rotisserie chicken sandwich. My hand's so ashy. Rotisserie chicken sandwich. Jackson wanted eyes on his sandwich, so I just put 2 eyes on it. Lettuce, cheese, ranch dressing because I'm out of mayo. He's gonna have a I think this is peanut butter, or it could be cheese. And then he's gonna have some chips, and I have to get his water together. And that's Mr. Jackson. That should be enough food for him. Oops, wrong cover. Where's the cover, guys? You guys didn't get the covers. Destiny's having the same thing, but she opted for yogurt. And then Jason, he wanted yogurt as well, so he's having peach yogurt. And he has his chips. Jordan didn't want any yogurt, so he decided to get this. So yeah, I feel like there's not enough food. Maybe it's just me, but it's a short day, so that's the reason, I guess.
That's the reason we have short.
And then plus, you know, we don't have the funds like we used to anymore. But we're this one. We're making it work. You know, at least they have food.
At least I have
So, thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of lunch video. This is yours. Where's your lunch bag?
My lunch bag?
Yeah, get your lunch bag.
Where's our empty one?
Come on. So, thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of lunch videos. I have to get your water together. And
My water's fine.
this is yours?
Yep.
And we will see you guys next week. We're not doing after schools anymore.
We'll see you
Jordan,
guys.
this is yours. Yes. Go
We'll
ahead.
see you guys Tuesday.
This is mine?
Tuesday?
No, Sunday.
No, this is yours.
Not Tuesday, Sunday and Tuesday.
We'll see you guys on Tuesday.
I can't open the packet.
Oh, this is from yesterday. Okay. This is dirty. This is what my sink look like every morning. So anyways, we will see you guys on Tuesday because they don't have school on Monday.
Tuesday and Sunday.
Tuesday and Sunday, nobody. We'll see them on Tuesday.
No, Tuesday and Sunday.
No, Tuesday.
Tuesday and Sunday.
Bye guys.